let's go into our Flamingo comped room 4090. And here it is. Turn into my left immediately. You've got your dual sinks, nice little shower, good water pressure. This is a couple days into our stay. This is a day we're going home, so we've actually used this room. Can actually tell you about it. What we did notice right off the bat was there was no soap anywhere, so this one was missing. I don't know if that was the soap, probably. This is the lotion. So there was absolutely nothing in the wall there, and we didn't have time to ask anybody for soap, so we just used our own that 2 cent brought. You got another station here for hair products and the toilet area. There's no door, but it's far enough away from the shower, kind of secluded, so it's still okay over there. It does have a sliding door, which you can tell from the humidity when people take a shower. The backing of this wallpaper comes off, but that's a cool little picture. So a little rough around the edges. You have your closets with ironing board and some more storage for supplies and clothes in the closet. So it's a walk-in. I walked in. See, the light came on. And you have a giant TV right here, which is a nice touch. Little desk, little table, seating area just to chill. Kind of like separation in the room from the bed. The bed was comfy. I thought it was comfy. The pillows were maybe a little too soft, a little hard to like sleep on, but not a bad sleep for myself. They have easy access little outlets right here and USB ports. Again, more storage. Another TV here, and then inside this is your mini fridge and a safe. Again, a little dirty. There were stains like on here and in the door. And then I noticed the carpet as well was a little dirty, like not vacuumed really good when we got in the first day. Another chair and some artwork. The view, again, since we're on the 4th floor, view isn't so hot. So, you know, we're basically looking at the top of the roof. But again, it was a free room, so we really didn't care. I really didn't care. We're not in the room hardly at all on these trips. The TVs, though, the issue, and I don't know if other people have said it in their vlogs, but it was a real pain. Like if you turn this one on, this one on, and then you try to shut it off. See how, oh well, now it's working. Gosh darn it. So just remembered to also mention the air does go down to 65. 2 Cent was also letting me know that the water, the cold and hot water, sometimes like if you're on the hot water, it'll get cool after a while, or sometimes if you're on the cold water, it'll get hot after a while. And then there was a bunch of people partying in the rooms a little bit further down from us. So it is more of a younger crowd here, I would say. A little bit, I don't know, at night, at late night when everybody's proper drunk, I think it was a little iffy at times as far as like the party goers go. But we did it. We've never stayed here at Flamingo before, so We had to give it a try. I mean, the size of the room is decent. It's kind of a big room for us. It was worth the comp. I don't know if I would pay to stay here, but I definitely think it was okay for the comp. The parking garage was not the best. It was pretty bad. We would have to park usually on the roof, and there's no elevator on the roof. So if you are handicapped in any way, you have to walk down a flight of stairs just to get to the first elevator bank. So that's kind of something you might want to think about before you stay here. But all in all, it was okay. Not bad. Just okay.